We just got a phone call. We just got a phone call. We just got a phone call. I wonder who it's from. Apple Kid, I've come up with another wacky invention that I think has real potential. Maybe you won't, but anyway, it's called a gourmet yogurt machine. It makes many different flavors of yogurt. The only problem is right now it can only make trout flavored yogurt. So I'm having the machine delivered to you via neglected class. Oh, come on! That's a problem, so I gotta go. Yeah. Just needed an excuse to hang up. Oh. That monkey. Okay, kìa. Cái cậu. Cái cậu. It's this idiot. Oh wait. You idiot. Oh. Well, that was way too fast. First of all, a skip sandwich. And a skip sandwich deluxe. That skip sandwich deluxe is going to be important for later. Oh yeah, I forgot, Jeff is paralyzed. I forgot to save, so I had to do both the department store spook and the evil Mani again. And I hated it a lot. Oh no, not Tequila by the Champs. Yay. Gosh darn it. Pretty sure you were the one who asked for a skip sandwich? No. It was you who wanted a skip sandwich. What's in here? Wet towel. Okay. Kayak. Pretty sure I had one. Nope. Sorry. Pizza. Yeah. Darn is quite right. You know it? No, there wasn't. Wait. Pretty sure there was a present here somewhere. Don't worry about that. That's the sound of my bat. Why do you only suffer from heat stroke when you're walking on sand? Yay. Ah, picnic lunch. Yep. Really need to get rid of that hand-aid. Thank you very much, kind, lady. in June. You have words about feeling the life, what you living for? Ah, the cave. There you go. Monkey, I shall grant you your wish of the magical picnic lunch or whatever. Thank you. Oh, come on! Are you serious? Pizza shall be granted. A protein drink. Do you know what that means? I assume that means he liked it. Okay. Now that lady monkey over there is gonna ask for a ruler. That didn't make sense, did it? No. But thank you for the king banana. Do you know what that means? What? Cuckoo pepe pe. Croak. What? Oh yeah, the king banana. Bow up. What? Can you move? Oh! Gosh darn it. I am blind. In the other cave. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, he's dead. Don't show this game to your kids. It has Deirdre by the Beach Boys in it. The truth of space and time moves through the universe like a wave. Truth speaks through space and matter and makes itself known to human beings. I was waiting for you, and you came. This was destined to happen. In truth, all is predetermined. Ness, Paula, Jeff, and Pooh. When these four powers gather, twisted space will bring back peace to the world. Do you understand? It doesn't matter. Proceed as you wish. Open the treasure box and take what is inside with you. Did you come in search of this? Someone left it behind in this hole. Jeff got the yogurt sensor. The adventure that lies ahead won't be easy. I'll give you a special skill to help you move through space as you wish. Learn the skill from the monkey over there. Would you like to learn this special power? Indeed. Let's go outside. Okay. Alright, monkey. Kya. Kiki. Oh. And he's back. Okay. I went to Foresight and returned. I showed you the basic straight course, but you can also build up enough speed while turning if you have enough room. Okay, why don't you try it, young man? Blanc. Oh. Thank you very much. Off to Foresight we go then! No, lady, I'm not staring at your hips. Oh. Oh wait, I forgot to give the yogurt machine to Electra. No, in fact, that's the next key location in the game, Electra. Didn't you read the manual? Mm-hmm. This is why I got the skip sandwich deluxe. 3, 2, 1. Let's try that again. Skip sandwich. Launching in 3, 2, 1. Up, up, down, down, left, right, BA, start. Come on! I guess I'll save it for later then. Actually... Up, up, down, down, left, right, BA, start, select. Gosh. You know, these attacks we're doing don't really work on the next boss. So, excuse me? You know what I would like right about now? You gone. I don't know how much HP these guys have. Oh. Okay. Skip sandwich launching in 3, 2, 1. Gosh darn it. I'm sure it was here. No secret code for you. You don't get one. You've been a very disobedient little robot. Did you hear me? Thank you. Ping, clankety, clankety, rattle, rattle, or squeak, tweet, tweet, clank. This guy has 962 HP. Oh wait, he's not prone to rocking. I mean, rock. Crap. Shoot it. You make me mad. Okay, so it's not vulnerable to anything, apparently. Yeah, I bet you do want to go and get a battery, clumsy robot. A gear and some bolts. Imagine. Who built this? Did Pokey build this? I bet he didn't. He's a stupid child. Well, he can fly a helicopter, but he crashed it in the deep darkness that I mentioned in, like, episode 2 or something. Oh, come on. You serious? Oh, come on. That's the first time I've lost something in a while. Are you actually serious, Ness? Whew! Why is he landing smash after smash? It was the Blues Brothers! Ba ba da ba da. Ba 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 da ba 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 da da. Ba 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 da ba da. Ba 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 da ba ba ba. Oh boy. You stop. I give up. I really do. Look at my skinny arms, thin body, and gray hair. I've become so weak since I lost the Manny statue. I'm sorry I kidnapped Paula. I haven't done anything to her. Paula's a nice girl. Paula, return to Ness. I'm sorry I've created so much trouble for you. Ness, you finally made it here. I'm fine. I believed you'd come and save me. Mr. Monotoli isn't really a bad person. Take some time to listen to him. Paula's back. I'll tell you everything. The Manny statue creates an illusion. It attracts evil spirits and weakens your heart. The power scared me so much, I hid the statue in the warehouse in Jackie's cafe. I even went there to pray. Cryptic words appeared to me while I was in the illusion. Ness, your name appeared in the cryptic messages. Stop Ness and do so by your own hand, or don't let them go to Summers, or make sure they know nothing of the pyramid. I don't fully understand the messages, but someone obviously doesn't want you to go to Summers. Evil Gaius or something. I could hear the name. Anyway, the evil side would be in trouble if you visit Summers. On the contrary, you should definitely go to Summers, especially because they don't want you to make it there. Would you like to hear this whole story again? No. No. Summers is located across the ocean. Take my helicopter. I'll open the door to my heliport. Yeah, boy.